Alright, well, you guys, we're at Mason's shop. Since I have a bad skim, I have to buy a new skim module, keys, ignition, PCM, etc. So I'm here at Bank of America so I can grab all that stuff from my buddy Will here in Massachusetts. He actually lives in Natick, and I'm going there before I go to Weymouth.
1 hour later.
This is what I just picked up. This is for the trunk. That's for the door. You got the Mopar Stage 1 PCM. I'm not exactly sure what this is exactly yet. You got the skim. You got the key. So there's only one key, it seems like, which is fine. Lexi, come on. You got this? Come on. Come on. Come on, boo boo. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Here. Well, you guys know from the other day, I had that skim issue, right? Get it! Oh! Oh, so happy. Oh. Now what?
You got oil pressure now, so that's cool.
Alright, that's a good thing. That's a good thing.
Because that's the total start and die of a skim.
I came here and dropped off the neon and I was filming and then my camera died. And then I haven't recorded for a couple days. So now I'm back here with this Mopar Stage 1 PCM, skim, and everything else to go ahead and start my neon. Hopefully, we pray. So we're gonna take that inside there.
What up?
I'm gonna go ahead and put the skim in, and that's gonna go right there. I put the ignition already in. It's now in there, and I put that plastic clip along with the other black clip into their location, so that is good to go. I can now go ahead and put that back on there and put the bottom part, which is right here. I can put that later. Back here is my PCM clips. Right there. So we're gonna mount that bad Larry. Do you have a tap? An 8.5? No, M8 by 125?
Yeah. A tap, or do you want to die? You going on a stud, or you going into a nut?
Into those 3 holes. So there's 3 mounting holes that he uses, yeah. These are the screws that he uses, but I think one is still on there right there, so I don't have to worry about that one. That one's gonna go on the left side of the ECU, and then there's a hole right there and a hole right there. So I did go ahead and take a screw out from there and a screw out from there, which holds the board. What?
You got a bolt?
Yeah.
I want to make sure it is an M8 before I go and fuck
I
it.
think it's an M8 by 125. But it moves it just enough that this moves back and forth, and I can shimmy the ECU up and in there and mount it, then plug in the plugs into the ECU. Mason over here. Coming out clean.
Mm-hmm.
Word.
Just pulling all the
I did that to my
gunk out.
whole engine bay. I did that to everything in my car, bro. No joke. That's why I was like, you know what? Most likely it's gonna be an M8 by 125, but what is it? M6 by
1.0.
1.0.
Like butter.
Word. That's what we want when we go ahead and put it in.
Mm-hmm. Now, is there a plate here?
There's a plate that's holding like right
How
up
thick
to
is
it.
that? Is that like?
Can you go on a little further?
Well, probably not by hand, but yeah.
Got the PCM back up in there, and Mason's going ahead and touching my kill wires. And we have power back in the car. So let's just take that off. What? Oh, it's alright. I'm
Watch your legs there, sweetie.
Alright, we have power. After switching, turn it off. Alright, fuel pump is priming, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard
Sounds
it.
like I can hear it. How much gas you have in the car?
Alright,
What are you reading for gas?
a little bit, but enough that we'll be able to get this
And
bad
also
ladder
fuel pressure
started.
regulator, make sure that's fucking holding pressure.
Yeah. Huh?
On.
Yeah, the key's on.
It's bleeding back a little bit, so if you cycle out off sometimes,
What about now?
that's at 50, oh, it's fucking 60 almost, and it's bleeding back.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Ready?
I don't want to look that. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, dude, I'm over here trying to turn the key. Whoa, guys, we got a start and a nice idle. There we go. That's probably my issue is the skim that I sent down to Ricardo earlier. All right, you guys can see I have my ignition with my 2 keys and my 2 FOBs. I got the ignition right here. I got the skim right here. That's the skim. Nothing really seems like as if it's damaged or anything. And I have my PCM right there, all padded in there nicely. Ship that down to Ricardo. Huh? Dude,
You need a clutch for that, don't you?
No, I'm in neutral now.
Go in the first. You sure?
I gotta do something with my trans.
Oh, no.
Oh, I haven't
Your
bled
tires
anything
are
too.
rolling, typical force, hit
Dude,
your
you
brake.
see that? Look, I haven't bled anything. I have no brakes, no clutch, fluid, nothing. My car is totally disassembled, bro. For my car to be where it's at right now is a fucking...
You got oil
That
pressure?
right there, you guys need to give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. That is super dope. All we got is the check engine light, which is stupid, airbag, which I gotta figure out. I probably go ahead and put a resistor or some shit, and ABS, which I took that out. The e-brake, which is fine. Put that thing down real quick. E-brake doesn't go off right now, so it's probably not connected or something.
You got no brake fluid. There's a sensor.
Oh yeah, that too. That could be it. But we're sitting at 14.7, which is a great air-fuel ratio, you guys. Volts, we're sitting about 13 and a half, 13.5.
So you're fucking charging.
Which is awesome because I have a brand new alternator, OEM. Oil pressure sitting at 75. I gotta go ahead and check the oil dipstick and see where I'm sitting at, but that's just to warm up the engine. We got break-in oil, well we got break-in Lucas additive with 5W30 Mobile 1. And the vacuum line, I don't believe it's hooked up. So
No,
it
you
won't
got a bunch
show.
of shit you gotta vacuum.
I do. But just to hear this running, you guys, woo!
Let it warm up.
Oh God.
Look at that.
I was gonna
All
say,
you need is-
hey, I was gonna say, let's hear the exhaust. I was gonna say, let's hear the exhaust.
Yeah, it's up
Oh
front then.
God. Mason, you happy to hear this thing?
Yeah.
You guys. There we go. Idling. Woo! We're sitting about 60 PSI right now. It's probably got to be adjusted. We don't have any vacuum lines hooked up right now, so no vacuum going to the fuel pressure regulator and to the throttle body and stuff like that. So, what's this fluid up here though? What's spitting out? I think it's probably cooling.
Wait,
Thank you to Mason, because the fact that the car wouldn't be here started and doing his thing and having a rear diffuser on there, which right now it's right under the car, but he went ahead and drilled all the holes, so that's probably what we're gonna do while the car is idling. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and until next time guys, be easy and stay tuned. Peace!